Why is your Etsy store getting no traffic? In 2026, Etsy's algorithm had a major update. Listings without videos have seen their ranking weight drop by up to 60%. But I found a beginner-friendly hack. No need for a photographer, no complicated setup, just one product link, and you can potentially double your sales. Back then, shooting a 15-second product video could take an entire day. Lighting, setup, models, editing, and if you had 20 product links, you'd have to go through that whole process 20 times. Now pick your Etsy product link and just paste it in. The system will automatically extract all the key details. First, let's take a look at a clean product-only showcase video. See these fine textures? What do you think? Even though it's AI generated, it still captures that real tactile feel and detailed texture, and that's exactly what drives conversions. Images can only show what a product looks like. They can't convey the experience of using it. Video, on the other hand, explains functionality, builds emotional connection, and overcomes trust barriers. Let's look at another type, which is more suitable for your social media platform.
Elegance in every petal, the perfect vase for your home.
Traditional video takes weeks and costs thousands. Stop wasting time. With urltovideo, just paste your link. Our AI engine builds cinematic product stories in minutes. Scale your content, slash your budget, and turn scrollers into buyers. urltovideo, AI, start your production engine today.